Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will study reliability analysis, which is a very important concept in medical research because before using any instrument, scale or diagnostic method, we must know whether it gives consistent results. Core types of reliability. Researchers access different forms of consistency depending on the study design. Test retest reliability measures consistency across time. It ensures that if the same test is given to the same subject at different times interval, the result remains stable. Inter-rater reliability. Cohen's kappa, Fliss kappa, Krippendorf alpha, interclass correlation coefficient measures agreement between different observers or researchers. High inter-rater reliability indicates that various individuals using the same tool which reach the same conclusions, minimizing personal bias. Internal consistency. Cronbach alpha evaluates how well different items on a multi-item test like a survey or symptoms questionnaire measure the same underlying construct. Parallel forms reliability. Pearson correlation coefficient assess the consistency of results between two different versions of a test diagnosed or designed to be equivalent. Common reliability statistics. Intraclass correlation coefficient, Bland-Altman analysis, Kappa Statistic, Kendall's coefficient. Different reliability methods are used depending on the type of data. Continuous data often uses ICC and Bland-Altman, while categorical data use Kappa. Inter-rater reliability recommended test based on the type of data. Categorical or nominal data, yes, no, normal, symptomatic, asymptomatic, two raters. Cohen's kappa is the standard as it corrects for agreement by chance. Three or more raters. Fliss kappa is an adaptation of Cohen's kappa for multiple raters. Ordinal ordered categorical data 1 to 5 Likert scale. Kendall's coefficient of concordance suitable for determining agreement with raters rank items ranging from 0 to 1. Continuous interval data measurement scores. ICC, the preferred method for interval or continuous data, specifically for measuring consistency between multiple raters. Intra-rater reliability recommended tests based on the data type. Continuous data like weight, time, measurements in centimeter. Intra-class correlation coefficient is the standard use. A two-way mixed effect models absolute agreement single measurement type. Categorical nominal data. Yes, no. Cohen's kappa coefficient is appropriate. Ordinal data weighted kappa is the best account for the ordered categories.